So tell me about the tour. What are you excited about most?
Oh, we're very excited about the tour. What we are excited about most is, besides performing, is engaging, the young people across the 6 cities that we'll be touring. Sitting down with them, speaking with them concerning their issues and addressing their issues. If you are able to change 1 or 2 people's life, is really fulfilling more than performing, I would say, because you would have impacted on that person's life, and you would have changed that person's life. So I think us going and sitting down with young people, addressing their concerns, is what I'm looking forward to.
We've been like a million times to the cities, but we never get to experience what the city has to offer, what the cities are all about. So now this is the opportunity.
And you're doing this in partnership, or like some of the funds are going to the Nelson Mandela Fund. I'll start with you, Santa. Your favorite Madiba moments?
It has to be when we first met him. And I basically thought he doesn't know us. I thought he knows Abu Mama Yvonne, the older ones. And when we got to him, he was like, and the lady was like, Tata, do you know who these are? That this lady said, it's Mafikizolo. That, and he was like, yeah, I know them. But in the Amba now. Yeah. So for me, that moment was just one of the memories I'll treasure.
The same with me, because when a very prominent person, knows music, and knows the group, you feel very blessed, and you feel very special. Yeah, that moment was a great moment, and also, performing at the 4664 in Norway, and in George as well, and to meet him as well. So, yeah.
And what are some of your favorite songs to perform? I know songs are like children, so you can't really pick one, but in terms of your 2 most favorite songs that you're looking forward to performing. Just 2.
I know,
That's such a difficult question.
There's a song that when that song plays, she goes crazy on stage. I know there's a particular song that
I've got lots of favorites, but
some of them.
I think currently Chelete has to be one of my favorite songs. I just lose it when that song comes on. It's gonna be so nice because on a very big platform we'll get a chance to perform it with Davido, and people will get that opportunity of seeing us performing it with Davido.
For you?
Yeah, there are a lot. I like to dance, so any song that has rhythm and not especially happiness. There will be certain songs that I know that this one I can be as versatile as I can in terms of my performance, and I would say, yeah, happiness has moments, in the song that I know. Okay, this is this is a routine. And after the routine, this is where everything breaks, and this is, there are moments like, that you can pick. And so like, I like it because in terms of performance, it's got that energy, and sometimes you will feel like, I always worry about ballads, but she doesn't. But I realize later, yeah, no, they were important to be in the lineup. Because sometimes you go to a bash, it's like, it's really going down, and she said, you must perform in Nigeria. It's like, nah. It's not gonna work, Joe. It's not gonna work. You see, it's like it's going down. People are, there's no time for us to, And I only perform that song, and everybody goes like,